Ever dreamed of trading the office for the comfort of your own home? Well, that dream has become a reality for millions of workers. A recent study by Global Workplace Analytics reveals that a staggering 4.7 million employees in the US now opt to work from home for at least half of their work week. Imagine this. The last decade has seen a 115% increase in work-from-home jobs. Factors such as technological advances, changing work culture, and the quest for a better work-life balance have fueled this growth. Thanks to the rise of the gig economy and the proliferation of remote work tools, the pool of work-from-home jobs is ever expanding. Now, consider the flexibility and convenience that remote work offers. You get to set your own schedule, work in your favorite sweatpants, and achieve a healthier work-life balance. This flexibility can lead to increased productivity and job satisfaction. Furthermore, for those with health issues or disabilities, work-from-home jobs offer an opportunity to pursue a career without physical constraints. But the benefits don't stop there. Working from home can also lead to significant cost savings. Think about it. No commute means less money spent on gas, public transportation, and professional attire. A full-time remote worker can save up to $4,000 a year. Companies also benefit from savings on office space and utilities. Did you know that work-from-home opportunities extend beyond traditional office roles? The digital age has opened doors to remote work in diverse industries such as customer service, healthcare, marketing, and education. Whatever your skill set or experience, there's likely a work-from-home job for you. Finding the right work-from-home job can be overwhelming, given the vast array of options. It's crucial to identify your strengths and skills before embarking on your remote work journey. This will help you find a job that suits you and brings joy to your work life. But remember, always be vigilant. There are scams out there, so make sure to research the company and never pay to apply for a job. In conclusion, work-from-home jobs are becoming the norm, and it's easy to see why. The flexibility, convenience, and cost savings they offer are too good to pass up. Check out our top online job recommendation in the description below. Good luck on your journey in the world of remote work. Until next time, stay savvy, folks.